Hi, so this is a really quick demonstration of how Blog Link Magic works. Okay, so if you're a blogger, if you've got a WordPress blog, then having a link redirection, link management, link cloaking tool is an absolute must. It's the only way to deal with links properly on your blog. The problem, of course, is that you've got to do the work to get all that set up, all those links set up on your blog. So first of all, you have to find all the relevant offers for your content. Then you have to go through, find each post or page, edit it, find some keywords to link, and edit those links, putting in your offer link. Now let's say you're just adding half a dozen links at the most to each post. It's going to take you 5 or 6, maybe 7 minutes to edit each post. If you've got a dozen posts, that's well over an hour's worth of work. If you've got an established blog with hundreds of posts, it's not doable. It's just going to take you so much time, it's ridiculous. And then of course, if one of those links, one of those offers changes or disappears, you've got to go back to your blog and go through all those posts to find where those links were and change them manually. Again, a massive amount of time and effort. This is exactly why often when you go to a blog and end up on a good quality but older post, click on someone's link, you'll often find it goes to a dead page, dead link, dead site, because whatever the offer was, it's gone. Now I've run hundreds of blogs over the years and still have many, and these were problems that I was facing until I came up with a way of solving them all with one simple plugin. It's called Blog Link Magic, and I want to give you a quick taste of how it solves these problems for you. So I've got the plugin Blog Link Magic installed on an old test blog of mine. It's a blog that has articles about different types of schools and education. You can see it's got quite a few articles. I think there's over 50 articles on here, and currently there are no text links here at all. There's no monetization going on. It's just got a lot of articles on it. Now with 50 plus articles, if I was going to go through manually and add links for all the different keywords and offers that I want to use, it's going to take me 6 hours, 7 hours, maybe more to get done. Well over a day's worth of work. Instead, what I'm going to do is simply come down to the option for import, and on the import page, I'm simply going to choose File, choose my CSV with my links and offers already in it, click on Open and choose Submit, and it'll take a second or two, and we'll then have 15 new links imported. 15 specifically because that's how many I had in that particular file. Let's actually go across to the links page and you'll see all 15. It could be as many as you need. There is no limit here on how many links that you import in one go. Now let's quickly click on edit and have a look at one of these links. They are all live. The important bit here is you've got keywords for this particular link, and the plugin is going to look at posts and pages, and where it finds those keywords, it's going to create a link to that affiliate product for you. In other words, we've imported the file and all the monetization has been done for us. The plugin has added those keyword-based links to all your posts and pages. Let's go and have a look at an example. This is the acting school page, and if I hit refresh now, there wasn't a link there previously. There is now a keyword-based link to an affiliate program. Let's have a look at another page. Music schools, again, no link at the moment. If I hit refresh on the page, there we go. There is now an active link to an affiliate program on that page. Now both of those link texts happen to be a subtitle at the top of the article. That's simply because how I got these articles formatted originally. It could equally be a keyword anywhere within the body of the text itself, and you can choose how many keywords get linked within each individual post and page to make sure that there aren't too many links appearing in your posts. And that is it. Your blog is monetized. No matter how many articles you've got, no matter how old the content is, it will all have links based on the keywords that you choose going to the affiliate offers that you specified. And if any of those affiliate offers that you're promoting change or disappear, you simply come back into the list of links and update the product link, and it will update it throughout all those posts and pages again for you. Blog Link Magic is quite simply the fastest, easiest way I could come up with for monetizing any blog, no matter what the content, no how old, how many posts. It can all be monetized in seconds. And yes, Blog Link Magic can be used as a regular link cloaker. You can search through the links and add them in your posts when you're editing if you want to do things manually. But there's two other bits that I want to point out here. Blog Link Magic also includes the option to export the list or the file of your links. So if you've created a list, a selection of links on one of your blogs, and then want to clone that across to another blog, you can do so. You can export that list and then re-import it onto your other site. And with that in mind, I've been able to export some of my high-paying links that I use and create some default done-for-you link lists for different markets that we're going to include with Blog Link Magic to really ramp up the value and get people up and running really, really quickly and easily, getting your blogs monetized in moments. Thanks very much for watching.